I will try to walk you through the garden so you can see everything. This is the lemon fruit. Wow, it smells amazing. More. 3. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing great today. So as you see, we are in a garden. So what we're going to do next is really incredible. It's mind-blowing. I guess majority of people, they really love gardening or explore gardening in general. So we are going to plant, yeah, we could say a mango tree or a young mango tree. Basically, this is a first time like planting this kind of tree. I don't know much about it, but I just in Indonesia, when you want to plant something, like, doesn't require much experience, as I see, because just like putting seeds on the ground, as time goes, they grow up. So we're just gonna try to take that young mango tree, and then we can plant it, and then we can see the process as it goes, or etc. Maybe like after like say maybe 1 year or 2 years, it will be ready to harvest the fruits. Just assumption, I'm not sure how long it will take to be like yeah, a tree that can produce yeah, fruits in general. But we could try, we just do our best. We plant the tree and we can yeah, track the process together. What you see right now is a cacao garden, Indonesia, one of the popular countries that produces or plant cacao trees, etc. Of course, cacao trees are for making. I mean, the main reason why it's for making a chocolate. So the main ingredient or the source is from a cacao tree. I will try to walk you through the garden so you can see everything. Like for example, some people, they just like specialize. For example, the garden is only for cacao trees. There are some exceptions. Maybe there are some other plants, but that's not the whole thing. So they just focus to produce the cacao trees, or to grow the cacao trees. So it's a beautiful tree. And also, like, when you try the cacao beans or the seeds, they are very sweet. Very sweet if you try them. Yeah, and then they dry, etc. So in order to make a chocolate, but it's a very long process, and it's very interesting as well. Imagine you can see the process from zero until the end, or from to A to Z. You can see the plant, and you can see the fruit. Yeah, the drying process, basically the whole process. It's a very interesting until you hold the chocolate bar in your hand. It's a very interesting thing, and it's beautiful. It's a great experience. And most of us, like, we just eat chocolate, we just consume chocolate, but we never know where it came or what's the process of making a chocolate. So it's a very interesting thing. I walk you through this garden. What you have just seen is just like a little from the garden. Imagine it, if you see the whole thing from the top, like if you have a drone or something, you will be amazed of what you'll see. This is our plant. This is our young manga tree. There are two. This is like the longest one, and there is the shortest was ender. One more tree. 3. Alright, so right now we have planted our young mango tree, but we need to plant this second one. This is the smallest one, and we really need to plant it very fast because it stayed like 24 hours, so we really need to quickly plant it right now. Okay. This one is really small, just like this. The baby. It's a baby mango. Alright, so now we have finished planting 2 young mango trees. So the next step would be just explore in the garden, maybe show some trees or explain something about a chocolate tree. This river here behind me, it's really large, as you can see. Sometimes like when there are heavy rain, like the river fall, but sometimes you can see like I'm sitting on the sand, so you can literally see the ground, but it's a really large river. It's a pretty cold, especially when there are rainy season. It becomes fall. It looks like a large lake, and it's a really beautiful thing to see. Right now I'm sitting or I'm walking on the sands. As you can see, it's like muddy, but it's pretty cold and a little cold. Or in the borders you can see like coconut trees, papaya, and other kinds of trees. This is a chocolate garden, so you really need to be careful so you will not lose your way here, because it's really difficult to memorize your way because too many chocolate trees, too many trees, etc. And also you need to remember the borders of each section so you can know where you are exactly. So right now I'm kind of lost because too many trees, but I will find my way, of course. So yeah, as I said, like usually you will find too many chocolate trees, like banana trees, papaya, coconut. It depends, but usually this is what you're gonna find in a chocolate garden. Also, you can find like some spices. Also, you can find pineapple, etc. I'm gonna show you. Example, over here we have a banana tree. Same at this place, we have a banana tree, another banana tree, and this is a pineapple. All this line here, pineapple, as you can see. This is one pineapple fruit over here. It's still growing, still small. The same goes from here. We have one pineapple fruit as well, but still small, I guess. So all this line over here, another pineapple. Usually in the garden you're gonna find a small house in the middle, like to take a rest, maybe have a rest, cook some food, etc., or eat snacks in general. Because people spend too much time in the garden, like organizing it, cleaning, pick up the fruits, etc. Over here it's a lemon tree. So people, they also plant lemon, so they want to take advantage of space, so not just focusing on one tree. Okay, so we have them here, three together. We're gonna try to pick one. So this is the a lemon fruit. Wow, it smells amazing. You know, like actually try to smell like a fresh lemon is something different. It's completely different from what you usually buy on the market, because this is fresh. You pick up from the, or pick up directly from the tree. Wow, it smells really fresh. Yeah, it just makes you wake up. I'm gonna try to smell this fruit until it loses its its fragment. What we see here is yeah, is a coconut tree. So what we are seeing here is a coconut tree. We have another one over here, seeing over here. So this is a coconut tree. Basically, these trees that you see right now are very small. They take time to grow up and be older enough to produce fruits. Especially for coconut, they take a very long time to grow up higher and then produce the coconut, etc. But you just need to plant them. You will not even notice until they grow up, etc. Also, you can find durian trees as well. I'm gonna try to show you the durian trees. It's one of the famous fruit in Indonesia. Over there, what you see over there, so this is a durian tree. Another one over here as well, it's a durian tree. So the biggest one in this garden. And over here we have another one, and over there as well it's another one. We have another one over there, but it's pretty small. Durian fruit, it's one of the most delicious fruit in Indonesia, and also one of its kind, or the most famous one in Indonesia as well. But it's famous with its yeah, smell. Okay, all the fragment of the we could say of the durian, it depends. To me, that smell is pretty normal to me. It's not annoying, but for some people it's really annoying. They don't like to smell the durian fragment, etc. But the fruit itself, it's super delicious. And over here, this is a papaya tree. So she just produces the fruit, still not ready for it. But in Indonesia, they use papaya unripped and when it's ripped as well. So for example, at this stage they use it in cooking, but when it's ripped, they use it for eat directly as a normal fruit. That was very strange to me. Like in Indonesia, the fruit has stages. For example, stage one, they use it this way. For example, they use it for cooking or as a vegetable. For example, this fruit papaya in the beginning or in early stages, they use it for as a vegetable, etc. But and then when it's ripe, they use it for juice, they use it for or eat directly, etc. So it's a beautiful thing. That's why cultures are different. Also, culture not just in customs, also in food or table manners or how we eat or how we cook in general. And this is another papaya over here, and also it has some fruits on the top as well. Everyone, this is everything for today. I just came to visit the garden and share something about it. So next time we're gonna do more exploring and more teaching, or maybe more doing in the future. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and see you next time.